به نام خدا، با گروه آموزشی مگا فری لرن از سری آموزش‌های اندروید در خدمت شما عزیزان هست. در این قسمت به سراغ ویدیو اینترودکشن 1-2 با هم دیگه خواهیم رفت.
In this lesson, we'll take a bird's eye look at Android, and since this is a course about application development, we'll view it from a developer's perspective. Let's first look at the devices that will run your apps. They represent your customer base, and the stats are impressive. As of 2012, there are over 500 million active devices. There are over 1.3 million activations per day, and over 1,800 different device brands and models. And Android has just over 75% of the mobile market share. Android has a website with a nice web page where you can see the listing of these devices. So click on this link down here, and here we see the list. It's quite extensive, so I won't try to go through the whole thing. You can view the devices by country. Not all countries support all devices. By manufacturer, let's pick Samsung, and by operator. You can also view just phones or just tablets, and you can look by Android version. I'm going to clear the comparison over here. Let's pick the Galaxy Nexus 4G, happens to be the phone I use, compared with the Galaxy S3 and the Galaxy S2. We click on compare, and you get a nice side-by-side comparison, feature by feature. Now let's look at the country support for Android. Android has a high level of global support. More than 135 different nations are supported as of 2012, 50 different languages are supported, and there's a set of localization tools for supporting countries that we'll look at in future lessons. We can see the details of the support by clicking the link here, and you can see that it's an extensive list. Now let's look at the network of developers around the world. As of 2012, there are over 300,000 developers. There's a large number of job opportunities. In fact, as I mentioned previously, there's a shortage of developers in many markets. And on the Android market, there's no app publishing manual review. In other words, when you submit your finished app for publishing on Google Play, no one manually reviews it. The fact that there's no app manual review by Google during publishing means that immediately after you've uploaded your app to the Google Play Store, your app is available to hundreds of millions of Android devices and users around the world. Google trusts you to follow their rules and relies on app user reviews on Google Play to monitor app quality. This is a big motivator for developers to create quality apps. And you can see a detailed list of country support of developers by clicking this link here. This web page shows the details of developer support around the world, and as you can see,
با تشکر از گروه آموزشی مگا فری لرن، شما عزیزان رو به خدای بزرگ می‌سپاریم. خدا نگهدار.